Well, it's time to get my Danners resoled. It's my favorite pair of boots, and I figured it's probably worth it to take it in and get these suckers resoled. So we're going to take them into a little shop downtown Richland and drop them off there, and we'll see how good of a job they do. Stick around. I think we're here. Really nice guy in there. He said the soles that those boots come on aren't very good, so he's gonna put a Vibram sole on it. And he said I'd come back and pick them up on Friday, so just about a week. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. Nice guy. And he says he does a lot of those boots, so apparently they wear out fast. I told him they wore out fast, and I showed him these other boots I got on that are made by Thorogood, and he said, "Oh, those Thorogoods are the same thing." I think he might be Vietnamese. Not sure. Funny old guy, nice guy. But he said even these soles on these Thorogoods, he basically said no good. They'll wear out just as fast. So $65. Seems like a good price to get my shoes resoled. So we'll check back here on Friday. In here to the boot place. He did call me, so should have them done this time.
Hi.
There you go.
Let's see. What is it?
The Danners called me earlier. No, it's just...
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Here they are. And he said these were the good soles, so these should, hopefully they last a little longer. Thanks for watching, and this is a little bit of a boring one, but at least you'll know here locally in the Tri-Cities where to take your boots to get them worked on. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.